to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App to your Chime account. So for that, just open your Cash App account, and after that just simply click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just simply scroll down and click on linked banks and just tap on link debit card from here. And here you can enter your Chime card detail, and if you don't have the Chime debit card or credit card, just simply click on no cards, and now you will see the option to link your bank account. So just simply click on continue, and over here you need to select your Chime bank account, and if you won't be able to find it, just simply click on search bar and search for Chime, and you will be able to see it, and just simply tap on it. And here it will ask you to log into your Chime account. So just simply click on continue to log in and provide details to log into your Chime account, and that way your Chime account will be linked to your Cash App account, and you will be able to cash out your money from your Cash App account to your Chime account. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.